For sure. Do that. Err on the side of caution. Talk should not be cheap. Number 6, don't equate
spine, and whatever level that hole is at is where you lose or your nerves are damaged.
We actually often err on the side of making things a little bit harder because when something is tuned to be more difficult than we ultimately want it to be,
we never know what students are going home to. So we like to make sure that, we err on the side of fulfilling their needs while they're in the program.
Also, I think you could err in having too much time. Which is great. I love
celebrated 15th anniversary of the landmark study To Err is Human. And so you can imagine
that dramatic example, it would be good to err on the side of positive there, right? And that was really just to illustrate the power of
World War II by the Nazis to catalog cultural property that was looted in Europe. The 39 ERR albums that had been used as...
And they know what the lines are, and then they err on the side of caution. So if they're not entirely sure, they'll just not write. They prefer not to.
Treatment for their symptoms.
Would it be safe to say that the state wants to err on the side of caution while still providing what